Yahobu, pemerintah Kabupaten Nias Barat mengajak Anda menyaksikan keindahan alam dan keunikan budaya Nias Barat. Saudara-saudara sekalian, bahwa wilayah Kabupaten Nias Barat merupakan daerah otonomi baru. Potensi yang paling luar biasa kalau ditangani secara khusus dalam dua kegiatan pariwisata yang benar-benar mendunia.
Pemai gina salida onrai tasa tuasi siwadata ayah si oger.
My name's Nick Morley. I'm from Australia, and I'm here surfing Arthur. The waves are pretty perfect. You can surf it anywhere between 3 and 10 foot. We've been surfing it only at 3 foot. The conditions are great. The water's as clean as it comes. The food here is really good and the people are really friendly. I thoroughly recommend it. I've been here for 4 days. This is my first time at Arsu, but I've been to the Mentawai and I've been to the Banyak Islands before. I've definitely come back to Arsu because there's no crowds. And I've been to Indonesia about probably 100 times.
Nias Barat, hal semua, pesona bumi Aikula.